What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're about to perform oil change on a 2006 Ford Focus. We already got our 5 quart of high mileage oil, and we got a filter that fits for our specific car. We already found out where everything is at, located to do it. So a couple things that you're going to need is probably something to unloosen the oil plug, a towel, something to lay on. We got some plastic on the ground, and oil pan. I didn't have an oil pan, but I created my own oil pan out of a bucket that I had that was torn up. So I'm about to use this. It's big enough, deep enough to catch the oil once I drain it out. Okay, so right now I'm under the car. Right here, I located this is the filter, the oil filter. Kind of hot. I should have probably waited, but this is the oil filter that I'm going to use. Change out, and then I'm going to scoot under here. Under. I've never been under the car.
You see?
And this is my drip plug right here.
You're gonna have to move to the side so you want to twist it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get the tool to undo it, and
Do you know what size? You should stay under there and I can pass you size.
here I'm gonna try and see which one fits right now. So no. Here. Okay, this one fits right here. So I'm just gonna connect it to the socket to unloosen it.
Get on the ground and come under here.
Okay, again, I located located the drain plug, so I'm just gonna loosen it right now. It started to drip, so I'm just gonna loosen it.
Alright.
Oh shit, I missed the whole thing. Damn.
Did you drop the thing in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, guys. Don't drop your screw in there.
Yeah, that was a mistake, but we draining the
You see how
oil.
black and thick
Yeah.
that old oil is?
Okay, let me out. Oh my god.
Because in that video, all you hear was that.
Okay, so I found the plug, and got the oil draining in the oil pan that I created, whatever. It's damn near done. So now all you have to do is just replace the oil plug that I dropped inside of there. My mistake.
Don't do that, guys.
Don't drop the thing in there. That was an accident. It came out so fast. I was just trying to make sure oil didn't get everywhere. But yeah. Okay, so simple enough. I let the oil change, and not the oil change. I'm sorry. I let the oil drain, and now I'm basically putting my oil plug back on here and tightening it up. Next step will be to unloosen this filter and replace it. So I'm gonna get this tightened enough for me, so when I get ready to do it again, I'll be able to take it off and put it back on myself again. And all I'm using is a socket wrench. You don't need some fancy tools to do this.
Now she's undoing
I undid the filter.
and it leaks oil as well.
It leaks oil as well, but
Not as much, but
too late. I already threw my pen. Put this over here. You compare it. Make sure that they're the same. They are the same. One's just smaller than the other because I went with a cheaper brand. I usually let the shop do this, but this time I'm doing this. Let's see, put some oil around here and put some around here, and basically just screw it back into place. Where'd that towel go? Okay, I'm trying to clear this up.
you can use a towel to
Yeah,
twist it.
that's all you do.
You're just putting that back on.
Putting the
Hand tight.
yeah, everything should be hand tightened. You just put the filter back on, wiping it down with the oil because I let it drip out. It drips about that much of oil. I'll be cleaning that up. Anyways, I'm just tightening it back on. And now I'm gonna get from under this car. And I'm going to.
You wanna?
Oh,
You're gonna have to.
yeah, I'm gonna check that so it's clean and clear.
Yep. So now, I'm gonna take the oil cap off, which is this.
Yeah, you go back here and find your oil cap. This is our oil cap, 2006 Ford Focus. And I'm gonna refill it with my oil. I went to O'Reilly's. I have 5W20 high mileage oil. I got. This is a 5-quart, but I used the quart already previously, so I'm just gonna put in the 4 quarts for now.
So we don't have a filter per se.
Huh?
So we don't have a funnel per se.
Oh, we don't have a funnel, so I'm gonna make one. So we are, after we pour the oil in, we are officially about to complete our first oil change. It was real simple, it's real easy. You just gotta basically go off of your car. I went off mine. It's hot.
So
We're making a funnel. I could have went and bought one for $1, but
Why? I figured.
I don't got time for that right now. So I just cut a water bottle and use that right now. But
Stick
I
that
will
in
buy
there.
one for future reference.
Once that's stuck in there.
You're gonna just pour the oil in. Ooh, hold on. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's messy.
It is, because when you flip it, it just goes.
Wait.
It says stop. When I stop, it stops. It does that.
No, I wasn't telling you to stop.
I thought you held up your finger.
Okay, right now we just putting the pouring the oil into the car.
I mean,
And we're gonna. It says like you should pour like 2 quarts and then check the dipstick. So I'll let her finish pouring the oil in, and then we'll check. I
Gonna
know
pour
for
this
sure
whole
that we're
thing?
gonna probably end up pouring the whole thing in.
So should I pour the whole thing right now? Or you want to stop and check?
Yeah, let's check.
Okay.
Cause let me see
I
how many
poured-
quarts is that. Yeah, you poured about 2 quarts
Yeah.
already. So I'm gonna check the dipstick.
I made a little mess, so I'm cleaning it up.
See where we at with this.
Let me wipe it.
We ain't quite there yet, so we're gonna
Hold
just
on.
finish pouring it in,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna clean up our mess that we created out here in this yard.
That I created.
No, I created something under this car. You can buy a filter to pour it in, or you
A
can use a
funnel.
water bottle, a funnel. I mean, or
But
you
our
can
water
just-
bottle was handy for right now. So
and it works for us. You do what's works for you, and we did what's worked for us. We got
All
everything at O'Reilly's for a little or nothing. The filter costed us $4.99.
of
The
course they have more expensive ones.
they have the highest one is $11.99. So the filters are not expensive. The oil costs about $8, under $10. I know that much. That's 5 quarts of oil that you'll need, and you can buy this exact same set right here with the socket wrench in there for like $10 at O'Reilly's as well. And you just need a jack. Most cars come with jack. I borrowed this jack from a friend. My car came with one, but I didn't want to use it. It doesn't go as high as this one. And also for safety reference, you should get a jack to hold this under while you under there, just for your safety. This is my first time. Professionals don't really use it if they doing it themselves. And get you something to lay on, and probably some gloves, because this stuff is messy and hot.
This I'm just. What is this?
Wow, what is that?
It was like that.
Okay, so well, we finished our job here. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell for more videos. We will be coming with more, because as we're doing right now, we're going to just start doing little things on our car ourselves. We had recently did our Air AC Pro. I don't have a video on that, but I will do one later for the AC Pro. She's checking out the dipstick. Everything looks good. The oil looks clean. We're about to clean up our mess, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video.